Orient is one of the harder designs to find if you're actually searching for it, on the internet, because they didn't make it for a long period of time, and they didn't make a huge quantity of it. Production was sort of mid-1930s and ceased with the outbreak of hostilities in the Second World War. So there's not an awful lot out there to find, but we've got these available. They are side plates in the Orient design, very typical woods blockwork, Japanese chinoise pattern with cherry blossom setting sun stalks, and these are on HH&G Limited, which was a London retailer that had an arrangement with Woods to sell Orient out, probably an exclusive for a period of time, although we have listed Orient with Wood & Sons marks on it as well. So this was definitely made by Wood & Sons. The date stamps on some of these date these pieces to between 1935. Let me see if I can find you one. And there is one, look. 235. Can you make that out? There we go, 235 for February 1935. All of them have the typical kiln support stand marks on here. You see this, 1, 2, 3, where the kiln supports were in place. And they're all in very nice condition on the surface. If I show you the glaze reflection there, do you see that? Don't think these have been used very heavily, if at all, during their life. We've got 6 of them, which is incredibly rare to have the opportunity to buy 6, all date stamped between 1935, we feel, and 1940. One piece was marked. I think that's being sold with the trio of teacup and saucer that we've got only one of. But these 6 are available individually for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website in very nice condition. Vintage, Wood & Sons, Orient, blue and white china side plates. Thanks for watching.